Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text underline in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to put text underline. At first, select any cell. Now I am select the cell. Then go to the home menu. Select the underline option. Now we can see we put text underline easily. You can make another text. Now I am select multiple cell, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu again and click the underline option. Now we can see we put text underline easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.